Yeah, look, quite simply, the range of clients that FlipPro has, every single case is different. But more importantly, what we try to do is we try to help those that are basically unloved. They're unloved by the banks, they're unloved by the trades, they're unloved by agents in some instance because some of them think that they might be too difficult to deal with simply because they want help with getting the best and highest sale price for their property. So we're here to help those that don't want to sell to a developer, that want to get a high sales price for their home, that simply want the assistance to bring it all together.